Hi, I'm George with Efficient AC Electric and Plumbing in Austin, Texas. I'm here today to talk about our heating check, typically done before the heating season starts. I'm here with our technician Mario to help show the things that we do to make sure your heater is ready to go and safe for the winter. So Mario's going to start by checking all the external components of the system. One is the AC filter, which we would remove, replace, unless it's brand new. The next is we're going to inspect the flue pipe, make sure it's not touching anything combustible, that it hasn't come apart, and that it's in good condition. Next, we're going to move on to, in this case, the air purifier and make sure that it is still operational. And we're going to blow the drain line, which we cover in a separate video. Now, Mario is going to take it from here and show us what we do on the inside of the system.
Okay, the first thing is we visually inspect everything, make sure no wires are touching metal and everything looks good over here. There is the little flame sensor that we need to clean inside this, and then we see how everything operates, including how the inducer sounds when it kicks on. So there is the inducer. So first, we see the sequence of operational. When the inducer comes on, it sounds smooth. We don't hear anything grinding. And then we just wait for the igniter. If we see any damage or anything, we replace the igniter, which is light up right now. And then if we see something going on with the burners, we clean the burners. And right now is the flame. And then we just inspect that everything is working as it should. If we see something going on with the flame, we take a look on the heat exchanger just to make sure everything is not cracked. We do a visual inspection inside just to make sure nothing is getting caught inside the blower. And then we check for amp drops and check on the blower if we don't have any high amps coming on the actual blower. Right now, it has a variable speed, so the amps is gonna keep up according to the manufacturer. So if you see high amps, is something really going on with the motor, making sure everything is working properly.
Mario has now covered all the little steps that we take as a company to do your heating check pre-winter time. This ensures that your system is going to function correctly and it's going to be safe to operate. It's very important that you do this check, more so than the cooling check where the consequence is only that you're sweating. The consequence of not having a properly performing furnace could be carbon monoxide, or it could be fire, it could be gas issues, it could be things that you really don't want to have happen in your home. So again, this is very important to do. If Mario finds something wrong, he will take it to the next step, which is the combustion gas analysis and recommendation of parts replacement or whatever we need to do to get this system running in a way that it's going to be safe for your whole winter.